All right, trading the 2013 Buick Verano for a 04 Jetta. You ready?
No.
You're gonna miss this thing.
Yeah.
Check engine every week.
It's gone now.
It's gone now.
4 now.
Code scanner just in case. We're going to the car wash, gonna wash her up. Got the inside all vacuumed. She's looking pretty. Up in the car wash.
Getting her ready. Making her look pretty.
About to go pick up this 5-speed.
Gonna be part of the manual gang.
This is a manual.
Oh yeah, true kid.
See?
Sequential, bro.
It's better. This is the first look at the Jetta. Alright, we're in her.
We're in her.
Deal's done, we're about to drive her home. No lights on the dash. Bluetooth radio. Teaching her how to drive. Thompson parking lot. How do you like her?
She's smooth. She needs some new brakes, but...
Yeah, she'll be alright. Alright, we got her home. Right next to the manual Accord. A little tough little car. He got her home nice.
The paint's looking tit, I'm not gonna lie.
It is. Paint's fine. Interior's nice. The toucan muffler. Here at the boat launch. You love her?
Yeah.
You love her yet?
It's a little tight. I gotta loosen her up.
Let's give you a little walk around. It's a 2004 Jetta, 5-speed manual. The paint's pretty clean. I mean, you got a little like surface rust, but the undercarriage is completely clean. Interior's pretty nice. Pretty much no room in the back seat, but like, it's all right. See this exhaust? Oh my God! Why does it have? Why do they go downwards? What the hell? That's a fat muffler. Might be chopping it off.
Tonight.
She's pretty nice, pretty sweet.
Wait,
Gonna
say something?
Where?
Oh, the dog. You can't park on this side of the road.
All right, what are we doing today?
Muffler delete. She's gone, kid.
All right, gonna chop this muffler off.
Thing's fucking huge.
That whole thing's going. Get some sound clips. Do some drive-by clips later. You already know. We're going under. These ramps give us a lot more room though. Yeah, they do. Oh my God, it's so fat. I see it. Are we ready? Yup. Is it through? Oh, it's definitely cutting. It's like a third of the way through. It's actually going pretty straight too. All right, keep her going.
Oh, she's off.
She's rattling.
Yeah.
Is it off?
Hold on, there's like the littlest piece.
There we go. Muffler.
There's just hangers.
Is how she's looking. We've got one hanger off. There's just one more in the back. You can see the pipe. And it should exit like right after your rear seat, so should be fine. All right, muffler's off.
Dad approves.
Yeah, look at the size of this thing.
Fucking half my leg.
Look at how much space is under there now. All right, so muffler's gone. Amazon's leaving. Gonna get the first startup. Hold on, I'll tell you when. All right, whenever you're ready. Wow, it's not even that bad. Oh, she sounds nice. Hell yeah. Give her another. Hey.
Stinks a little bit.
Do you approve?
I approve. It's
I
not
think
as loud as I thought.
No, I thought it was gonna be way louder. It's also warm already. Like it wasn't a cold start, but it is nice. Let her eat.
So
She
funny.
ain't even loud. See what she's got. It's just the wheel, it's okay. Give her some toots.